In this lesson, I will show you how to create any sketch in 3D environment. That tool is different than 2D sketch tool. If you want to create any 2D sketch, you have to use this tool, which is available inside this sketch tab. From here, there is a one drop down menu under this sketch. From here, you can access this 3D sketch tool. So first I will activate it, and now I don't need to select any plane here to create a sketch because this is in 3D environment. So first I will activate any tool from here. Activate this line tool. Now next to the cursor, it is showing XY. This is showing XY because if you see this two arrow, if you match with this is X and this is Y. That's why this is showing XY. If you create anything, it will add to XY plane. But this is just a virtual thing. There is nothing completely defined as a XY plane. So in 3D environment, when you will create any sketch for the first time, you must have to start from center. Even if you want, you can start from any random point in 3D space, but it will be very hard for you to control later. That's why this is very important to start any sketch from the center of this sketch. So this is the center. I will select this point. And now if I draw anything here, it will add this to XY plane. So let's say if I go to this side, then press this point, and this is that line. Now still I am in XY plane. If you want to change this plane, you can do it by using tab key in your keyboard. Press tab key one time, it will change from XY to YZ. YZ means you can see from here, this is that plane, which is this plane. So now in YZ plane, I will draw it here. This is the second line. Now I will change it again. Press tab key again. Now this is showing me that this is in ZX. So I will draw this again in ZX. I will change it again by using tab key and go to top. I am done. I will press escape key to finish this line. Now if I see from top, you will see this line is completely straight because this is in XY plane. That's why this is looks like this is very straight. And this line on YZ plane, that's why this is showing on this side. If I see from 3D side, you will see this is that line. Let's say if I want to move this, I can move it anywhere, all of this line. But when you will create any 3D sketch, this is really very important to fix any one point with the center point. Otherwise, it will float all over the place inside this 3D environment. If you see inside this feature manager design tree, you will see this sketch name is different than normal sketch. So first I will close this. Now I will create a 2D sketch and just make something inside it and close this sketch. Now you can see for a normal 2D sketch, there is nothing is showing, but for 3D sketch, this is showing 3D sketch 1, and another clue is this is showing 3D in front of this name, which is icon 3D. That means this is 3D sketch. But if you don't see anything, that means this is just a normal 2D sketch. If you want to modify it, right click, go to edit, then modify it.